Hello guys. I know using Google Classroom might be new to some of you and just staying organized with all of this work being all online. So I wanted to show you a quick tip to stay organized in Google Classroom. So you're going to go and open your classes in Google Classroom, and then you will have the three lines over here show you all of your classes. So you can go to classes and then calendar. When you click on this calendar, it's going to show you all of your assignments, and it's going to put them on the due date and the exact time that they are due. So this color codes all of your classes of when they are due. Into a specific class and click on classwork, and then right here has your Google Calendar. So up on the classwork, you can click on this Google Calendar, and that's going to take you to the Google Calendar and show you when things are due to. That's going to take you actually to your bigger Google Calendar when everything is. So that's a little bit different than just the classwork calendar. So the classwork calendar is what I like to use just to see just the classes. That's going to be better for you than seeing your big Google Calendar. But they're both options and ways that you can organize your work, know when things are due, and making sure that you're getting them in. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's any other ways I can help you stay organized.